So we're going to start to get you into your single leg bridge, and this is the first place to be. So I want you to remember your pelvic clock, particularly that 3 and 9 tilt, because that's going to come into play here. Now your instructor will have told you whether you're on your heels or on your toes, but from here we're going to do exactly the same. We're going to come up in a double leg bridge. So we're standing into our feet, we're pulling towards ourselves, so we're really getting length through the front and back of our body. From there, I want you to look down your nose so that you can see your hip bones. That's your seesaw, and that's what we want to stay level. So really stand into your right foot. I want you to push that foot towards the floor. Can your hip bones stay level? And if the more you stand into this leg, the more you'll feel your hamstring, and the other leg can just float off. You're going to reach that leg back towards your sofa. This time, pour all the concrete into the left leg. So really stand into that left leg. Your right leg will get lighter and it can just float off. And then reach that leg back down again. And then just lay yourself back to the floor just like you did before. So you're really trying to keep your pelvis nice and equal. You're trying to control that rotation. So can your hands be meeting the floor but not pushing into it too much? Again, is your body just hanging back? Can you push into one leg? So really build up that tension in one leg. It will make the other leg feel lighter and it will just come off. Don't try to just lift the leg. You'll get a rock. Again, really push into the other leg. Feel like I'm pouring concrete, or you've got the heaviest moon boots in the world on to lift the other. Reach the leg away, find the floor, equal out that weight, and then just lay yourself back down again. Fantastic.